Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel Advocate Jayashrie's Musings on Law. Today we will be seeing one of the latest judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, which has upheld the judgment in the year 2022 made by the Honorable Allahabad High Court. This is regarding dowry harassment case, which is obviously filed by a woman against her husband and of course the in-laws. The in-laws includes the parent-in-law or parents-in-law, brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, anyone who is related to the in-laws. So it can be only the husband or husband as well as the in-laws. So a case has been filed by a woman against her husband in a dowry harassment accusation. Now, the Honorable Allahabad High Court, in a judgment made in the year 2022, has very clearly laid down the guideline that no arrest can be made under Section 498A, that is the dowry harassment. Under the Section 498A, on the accusation of dowry harassment for the initial period of 2 months. Now, this guideline, though it has not been properly implemented by all states or by any of the states, but this particular judgment of the Honorable Allahabad High Court has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court in one of its recent judgments. So, in going with the recent upholding by the Honorable Supreme Court, the directive automatically goes out to all the police stations and all the people who are involved in the law process that no arrest can be made on the basis of dowry harassment accusation under Section 498A for the initial period of 2 months after the filing of the case. So, after the complaint. So, for the first 2 months, no arrest can be made. This should be made clear, and as citizens, if of course the accused will be found guilty by the honorable courts, that I have no say, but for the first initial 2 months period, no arrest can be made by the law enforcement authorities. This has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court in one of its latest judgment. And this is what I wish to say, because this is one of the procedural lapses and hardly any citizen is aware of this particular rule of law. So it is very clearly mentioned by the Honorable Supreme Court, and which we need to follow in order to keep up with law. This is just a short video, but I hope it's useful to all of you. Thank you.